Flat Rate Mechanic here again. I'm going to show you how to program your key fob in a Ford Fiesta. So what we need to do first is we're going to your lock button right in the center. We're going to make sure that's unlocked. You got to cycle the key on and off 6 times until you hear a ding. 1, 8 times. And then you just hit your button on your key fob and you hear another ding. Turn the ignition on, another ding. That's all you have to do. And now it should work. So just do it again. Make sure it's unlocked. Put your key in 8 times, on, off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It dings. Hit your button. It dings again. Turn it on. And everything works. That's it.